Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
A touching story about how a veterinarian had to give birth to a very unusual patient, and then, after a while, she thanked him. Maxim is a successful Russian veterinarian with great talent, as he moves to small villages to treat sick animals and checks poor farmers' animals for free. The young man owns an apartment in which he lives in the city of Vingursky, in the province of Siberia, and works as a veterinarian. But he did not marry because he did not find the right young woman. All young women try to flirt with him and get close to him just for fun, and he wants to choose the girl of his dreams to marry her. The vet received a call from a nearby village to the city where he resided, where they told him that an elderly couple had a sick animal, which made him get into his car and in the evening go there. The man arrived at the old man's house, asked them about the sick animal they wanted to treat. Then the old man led to a small hut, and there he was shocked. There was a big bear inside the hut. The old man seemed to calm down Maxim and told him that the bear was very nice and had been keeping it for a while. She leaves in the summer in the woods and comes in the winter to sleep in the hut. The young man kept looking at the sick bear, and then he told the grandfather that he had never treated a bear before, then asked him to excuse and wanted to leave. The young woman, Natalka, is the granddaughter of the elderly, and she asked the doctor to help the bear because she has young children waiting for her in the woods. Maxim looked at the young woman, red-faced, confused, and unable to speak. The young woman was very beautiful, with soft red hair and charming green eyes. Natalka also loves this bear because she has fixed with her for a long time, and she told Maxim that she knows a lot about the bears, and that she will help him if he decides to treat her. Maxim observed that the bear had shortness of breath, and after examining it well, he gave her an injection and began to breathe normally. Then gave some medicine to the elderly from his bag and asked them to make sure that the bear used the medicine regularly. The young man was happy to help the animal, and he was happier to know the young Natalka. For her part, the young woman liked the handsome doctor. Maxim visits the grandfather and grandmother and meets the bear there as he meets the young Natalka. They fall in love and decide to marry and travel to St. Petersburg to live there. Maxim told the elderly that the bear could not live with them, and that it was better for her to return to the forest. He managed to release the bear and disappeared into the forest and did not return after that. Maxim was absent for a week when he was on a business trip to Moscow, and when he returned, and there she was not found, as the grandparents told him that she went out into the woods and did not return 3 days ago. The young man felt very nervous and quickly rushed to search for Natalka, as he felt a strange feeling, which made him think that she was not feeling well. The young man walks into the woods for several hours and searches and calls for his beloved, and suddenly he notices 2 small bears coming out of the trees. Then Maxim followed them to find Natalka with her leg wounded. The young woman was screaming. She did not eat for a while. It turns out that when the young woman went out to look for the bear because she missed her, she fell between 2 rocks and twisted her ankle. What surprised the young man was that the bear surrounded Natalka and covered her and protected the young woman. The bear who found her during the situation and saved her life.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.